Leadership is more than just telling people what to do. It's about understanding the unique needs of your team and guiding them towards success. Today we are exploring different leadership styles and how they can impact your workplace. Leaders come in many forms, each with its own way of helping their team. We'll look at 10 different leadership styles, starting with one of the most common, transactional leadership. Transactional leaders focus on structure and results. They achieve goals through clear rules and rewards for good performance. Imagine Mike, our company manager. During the quarterly review, he gives bonus to team members who meet their targets, ensuring everyone understands what is expected and what they can earn. Next, we have charismatic leadership. Leaders like Mike inspire their teams with energy and charm, motivating them with a clear vision. Imagine he is setting a clear sales goal and inspiring his team by sharing his vision. But moving on to servant leadership, where the leader's main job is to support their employees. These leaders focus on the growth and well-being of their team first. Now think of Mike volunteering to mentor junior staff members, creating an environment where everyone feels supported and encouraged to grow. That's servant leadership in action. The fourth style is participative or democratic leadership. This style emphasizes teamwork and collaboration and allowing team members to have say in decisions. In a recent project, Mike held a meeting where everyone was invited to share their ideas, encouraging a sense of ownership and teamwork. On the other end of the spectrum is authoritarian leadership. These leaders make decisions on their own and expect everyone to follow them. In urgent situations, Mike might use this style, clearly outlining tasks and expectations to ensure everything runs smoothly.